So today topic that we are going to discuss is about electrostatic. So when you discuss about electrostatic, the first question that comes in our mind is what is charged body. You know that in case of atom, सेंटर पार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं एटम के न्यूक्लियस नो न्यूक्लियस सेंटर पे साइड में कौन रिवॉल्व कर रहा है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर रिवॉल्विंग इन द ऑर्बिट्स now if this atom lose its electron then it become positively charged body but if this gain electron then it becomes negatively charged body it means if you have two atoms A and B then you can get two types of charged body either positive or negative if it is positive charge body it means this body ने क्या कर दिया लूज अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन और अगर ये नेगेटिव है तो इसने क्या कर लिए गेन जब बॉडी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव है इट मीन देयर इज आइदर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और repulsion which we have to study so before starting this the second question comes what are the different methods to charge the body मेरे को चार्ज करना मेथड्स नोट्स में दे रखे हैं वहाँ से देखना पर मैं थोड़ा डिस्कस करूँगा कौन से मेथड है जिससे यू कैन चार्ज ए बॉडी तो चार्ज करना बॉडी को तो देयर आर 3 मेथड्स गिवन इन योर सिलेबस द फर्स्ट इज चार्जिंग बाय फ्रिक्शन चार्जिंग बाय फ्रिक्शन जब आप बॉडी को रब करते हो दो बॉडीज को आपस में रब कर रहे हो जब आप इन दोनों को रब कर रहे हो देयर विल बी ट्रांसफर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स व्हेन देयर इज ए ट्रांसफर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कुछ गेन करेगा कोई लूज करेगा तो एक पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी दूसरी नेगेटिव हो जाएगी ऑलवेज रिमेंबर सेकंड इज बाय कंडक्शन अब कंडक्शन में क्या था कि ये एक बॉडी थी विच इज चार्ज्ड वन पॉजिटिव uncharged body is placed near to this charged body now when uncharged body placed near to charged body and you touch with a conducting body तो इसको टच कर दिया ये चार्ज थी अनचार्ज थी इसका चार्ज इसमें फ्लो करना शुरू कर देगा so that this also become charged one this type of charging a body uncharged body with the touching of a charged body is called charging by conduction third is by induction इंडक्शन में क्या है मेरे पास एक और बॉडी है विच इज नॉट चार्ज दिस इज अ बॉडी विच इज नॉट चार्ज बट दिस इज अ बॉडी विच इज चार्ज a body which is highly positive charge this is uncharged body but when uncharged body placed near a charged body then due to its field it will attract its negative charge toward its on its surface so that this uncharged also become the charged one this type of charging a body with the by placing near to is called charging by induction so there are 3 methods the question arises in which case the mass of the body will change mass of body change only either by conduction or by friction but there is no change in the mass of the body in induction why because in case of induction there is no transfer of electrons there is transfer of electron only when you rub the body or when you touch the body but in case of induction there is only this body only attract its negative charge but there is no transfer of electron so these are the methods of charging a body next question that come what are the different properties of a charge so class 11th we discuss about conservation of charge conservation of conservation of energy can neither be created nor be destroyed but it can be transferred from one form to another in the similar we have conservation of a charge Charge can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it remains same. That the system, it remains same. Now CBSE will ask the question. I just give you a question that let us suppose this body A has a charge Q1. This body B has a charge Q2. So what is the total charge of the system? Q1 plus Q2. Now you touch these two body with the help of a conducting wire. The charge will flow from high potential to low potential. After touching, you remove this wire. Now I want to find the charge on these two bodies. As per conservation of charge, the total charge remains same, but since there is a distribution of charge, now the charge on this body will be Q1 plus Q2 by 2. The charge on this body will be Q1 plus Q2 by 2. For example, I take another. This is a body A having charge 10 microcoulomb. This is a body B which is neutral, having no charge. You touch and then you remove this wire. Now I want to find the charge on these two when you remove this one. So very easy. Since it is in neutral, so its charge is 0. So as per conservation of charge, when you touch, there will be distribution of charge. The charge on each will be 10 plus 0 by 2, 10 plus 0 by 2. So total will be 5 microcoulomb, and on this is also 5 microcoulomb. So this is the property of conservation of charge. Whenever CBSE asks a question, it may be question 1 mark question like this. So clear this conservation of charge. Come to the second property, that is called invariance of charge. Invariance of charge, that is Q static is equal to Q dynamic. What is this? Q static equal to Q dynamic. That is, if a it means the charge on any body is independent of frame of reference. Independent of frame of reference. It is independent of frame of reference. Doesn't depend upon frame of reference. बॉडी रेस्ट पे है, वो बॉडी मूव कर रही है, एक्सलरेट कर रही है कितनी भी वेलोसिटी से, बट द चार्ज ऑन